SOCO SCM860 operation microscopes. Stable, clear, precise. German gas spring and multi-axis linkage structure. Stable, reliable, lightweight, and smooth. Extra long arm reach, wide vertical range for free operation. Equipped with damping adjustment for stop where you release operation. German imported multi-layer coated glass, Apochromatic optical design, reduced chromatic aberration, clearer and more realistic images. 12.5 times high-eyepoint wide-angle eyepiece for larger field of view. Special diopter design with twist-out eye cups. Pupillary distance 55-75 mm. 0 to 180 degrees variable angle design for comfortable posture. Continuous zoom system. Zoom factor 0.4 times to 2.5 times. Continuous magnification from 1.6 times to 19 times. Uninterrupted field of view. Details always online. Large zoom objective lens with working distance up to 190 to 480 mm, covering the entire oral cavity without frequent repositioning. Built-in LED lighting system, true color LED source, high illuminance, better color rendering. 5 illumination spots. Green for blood vessels, orange to delay resin curing. Built-in 4K UHD imaging system. Real-time 4K HD video output. 4K wireless foot pedal, hands-free operation for photos and videos. Built-in image management software for recording, managing, and storing image data. A blueprint for unprecedented clarity. SOCO SCM860.